All right, so they were installing some brand new LED headlights or headlight bulbs on a Ford Focus from 2010. First things first, taking off this grill real quick. So it's 4 little rivets right here. These just pop right on out. Take a little flathead, pop up this little piece right here. Once that piece is out, take a pry tool and get under right just like that and just lift it up. Definitely don't fling it like I just did, but do the same thing for all 4 of these rivets right here. All right, now that all 4 of those are out, this should be able to lift right on up. There we go, just like that. Now there's like 2 clips to hold the front bumper on as well. But all you're doing is just kind of pushing them out. Can't really show you right here, but I'll show you after. See, this pry tool can help me pop it out. There we go. There we go. And it's just one more right here. There we go. Yep, so all it was, these little clips right here, they fasten the whole bumper into place. So literally just pull that right off, use a pry tool, help you out. Next thing is 3 10mm bolts. So one here, and then one there. I'll remove the headlight unit. And the kit actually comes with some white gloves, so I'm actually use these for the rest of the job. 10mm. All right, next thing up, we can remove the headlights. It's a little clamp down there, just pull that up, I believe. There we go. This is the signal light, I believe, and this is the bulb we're replacing right here. This should be able to turn right on out, so left or right. Yep, to the left. And some nice little grooves in here for you as well to pull them out. But that's the old bulb right there. We're simply going to unclip it and replace it. So these LED bulbs are a little bit different. You're gonna have the connection wires gonna be hanging off of the bulb instead. So these operate the same way, plug and play. What we're gonna do is place it inside the headlight unit the same way that it came out. Move these wires to the side and literally just twist it. And there's little grooves on there to tell you exactly how it should sit up in there as well. There we go. Make sure it's in there flush. Twist it till it locks up. And that's how you complete the installation. Let's check and see how it looks. And you can also zip tie these wires together so they won't flail around too much. And if you want to get the fog lights done as well, under the headlight, you can actually find the fog light right in here. Right in here, there's the fog light. Same process, all you gotta do is take it, turn it to the left or right, whichever way you want to go, yep, and pop it right on out. It's that simple, do it for both sides, pop the new ones in, and put everything back together, and you should be good to go. Perfect. And this is a before and after comparison. As you see, you can't even see it on the camera, it's so bright, but that's the old one, that's the new one. All you gotta do is the same thing on this side, same 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. Pop it out, replace it, and you should be all good to go. If you guys want to check out where to get this light bulb at, it's on Amazon for 40, 50 bucks. They give you 2 of them for the set. And besides that, it's super easy to do. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. If you have any questions, comment down below. Other than that, thanks for watching.